Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your monthly love reading for the month of August. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not. If it resonate with you, you can take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And I'm gonna use this pattern. This pattern is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life. It will cover everything, so I'm gonna take four cards for your partner's feeling, thinking, and current situation. Four cards for your thinking, your feelings, and situation, and two cards for mutual feelings and understanding. So let's get start with let's get start. What is the Libra person's feelings towards Libra? What is the Libra person's thinkings and attentions towards Libra? What is the Libra person's thinking and attentions towards Libra? So we are having Judgment, Chariot, King of Wands, and also we are having the Moon. So Virgo, what are the Libra feelings towards this person? What are the Libra feeling toward this person? We are having the Hierophant, Eight of Wands, Queen of Sword, and also we are having Ten of Cups. So what is the mutual energy? We are having Nine of Wands and Three of Pentacles in the mutual energy. These are your cards in front of me, Libra. I try to explain this card for you. Let's get started with your person's feeling first. These are your cards in front of me, and I try to explain these cards for you, Libra. Let's get started with your person's feelings. So, okay. So I feel like that definitely they want a second chance with you, Libra, and they know that you are gonna be the opportunity for them. And also it's a person who just want a second opportunity, second chance here. And also this person could be controlling with this Chariot. Someone is a tough kind of attitude. You are definitely dealing with someone who is very very tough, and I feel like that it could be someone from your past, but some kind of unfinished business is there with this Judgment card. I can feel like that this person is not done with you. Yeah, so uh, they are definitely coming towards you to be with you, and they just don't wanna let you go. That's why we can see the movement of Chariot. This is a sign of movement. The someone is definitely moving towards you. Also I feel like with this King of Wand, this person is looking towards you, and this person is just in focusing on you and focus on this second chance to have with you. So they're definitely gonna come back uh, to have some kind of second chance. They are thinking about a second chance with you, but the thing is that this person is still not so sure that they wanna commit or not. Also this is someone who is not clear about things. This person could be indecisive, and they just do things but they don't think about their consequences. Or they don't know if they do that, what is the consequence they have to face. Because we can see here the Chariot. So maybe they do things without any thinking that sometimes lead them to the some kind of problem here. With this Moon card, something is there. This person is it could be possible they wanna be with you. They want to be move towards you. They don't want to lose you. They definitely want a second chance with you, but still this person is unsure about something, because we are having the Moon. So something is hidden. This person is also feeling like that they are in darkness and they don't know what to do. There could be a lot of fears involved in the situation. This person is living in some kind of fear, or maybe they just don't want to commit with you. They want to be with you, but they don't want to lose you, and definitely moving towards you. But I feel like this still commitment is their fear. some kind of fear is there. I feel like it could be people. This person is fearful about it could be some family or something they fear about. For some of you it could be third party situation, but something is definitely disturbing this person. They are unable to deal some kind of energy here. So let's see what is your feelings, Libra. With this hero font and page of font, you definitely want this person to give you commitment. With this hero font also you want some kind of clear communication from this person. With this page of font, with this queen of swords, you are becoming very logical in this situation, because you are not gonna deal with someone who just giving you false promises, who is just deceiving you. You don't wanna be in some kind of risk. You don't wanna be in any kind of deceit. So you are becoming very cutting and clear in this situation, and you are very clear that you want this 10 of cups. So definitely you want a commitment from this person. Even I feel like you love this person, but Libra, but you also using your logic and mind, or maybe you know that this person is lovable, but you are not losing your mind. You are trying to control your emotions in this situation, but I feel like you love this person. You wanna commit with this person, but something is still this person is hiding from you. They are still very unsure. Even they want a second chance with you. So let's see what is the mutual energy. So in the mutual energy, I feel like this person is stopping themselves from something. They are definitely stopping themselves from any kind of a commitment, and definitely this person is having a commitment issue with you, and that's why this person is like 9 of wands. They don't know should they stay or in this situation, should they commit or not commit. So this person is indecisive as well. What I can feel here with this 3 of pentacle, it's very clear that you want from this person is collaborate with you and work on this connection together, but I feel like this person is not doing that. They are definitely staying with you, talking, and a lot of communication is going on, but I feel like that this person is not taking some kind of action towards you, towards this stability, towards commitment, because we can see here this person is moon under the chariot. So something is stopping this person to take some kind of actions towards you. It could be any deceit as well. It could be any kind of person who is any kind of deception. So let's see what else we have for you, Libra. So what else for Libra? What else for Libra? Please, what else for Libra? We are having 2 of swords, 8 of wands. As an outcome, we are having 7 of cups. So you are definitely blocking yourself for this person with this 2 of swords. Even this person is moving towards you, because I can see this person is coming towards you, communicating with you, moving towards you, but you still gonna block yourself, block that person. Maybe they send you text messages, and it's a lot of passion. It's a lot of this could be spending a lot of time with you, but you are still little bit cold, become little bit cold, trying to balance the situation. This person is not giving you clarity, so something is unclear. You are feeling that you are trapped, so that's why you are trying to balance the situation, because you want balance. But this person is definitely communicating with you and moving towards you, and also they are just trying to constantly coming back into your life. Maybe you become very clear to this person that I don't want any breadcrumbs. Then they again come back, and they forced you to stay with them. So you are becoming so confused here because they don't even commit with you. And as an outcome, we are having 7 of cups here. So I feel like the way you are reacting in this situation, because you are coming tough here with this Queen of Sword and also with this Two of Sword. Now you are become little bit tough. They are gonna feel confused here. Also, I feel like that this person is having a lot of options. They are having a lot of choices. So this person could be stuck in those choices, in those options as well. Some kind of confusion is there. Something is unclear, like I was saying to you. But the thing is that, Libra, they don't even know anything about you. Now you are starting to hide something, things from this person. Now you are hiding yourself from this person. You are not letting this person more think about you. You're becoming high valued person. Maybe you go on your privacy setting and update some kind of privacy. You don't want them to, know about you anything. You don't want them to find you out. So that's why this person is becoming confused. Now you are not sharing your all the information with this person. You are becoming more and more, reserved. You become more reserved. You are securing yourself. You loving yourself, and you are focusing on other things, holding back from this person. So that's why this person is confused as well. And they are also confused that should they commit or should they not commit. Some kind of options are there. So they are also confused because of it. But I feel like this is not a healthy thing to do. They should be very very sure. If they wanna be with you, they really need to wake up their mind here, because could be possible this person is just having fun talking, moving towards you constantly and giving you attention, but not doing anything to make this situation, to make this relationship, making this thing is a relationship, a commitment you deserve. That's why you are holding back yourself from this person. With this high priestess, you have high value and high morals. So you cannot be with someone who is just a player, who just playing around and having fun. It could also possible they just give you attention and want to check your reaction. So so let's see what else we have in your advice messages in the end, Libra. What is in the advice messages? What advice messages for Libra? So we are having listen to your heart, celebrate your friendships, be positive, live in the present moment. So these are a few advices I have for my Libra people. Hope this resonates with you. And the summary of your reading is: this is someone who is moving towards you but not giving you commitment, and you want commitment in your life. And you are holding yourself and you are securing your information and you are securing yourself from this person because you don't want anybody to make you like play with you. You don't want that, and you are not going to let anyone to play with you. So these are the summary of your reading. Thanks for listening. God bless you. Bye.